So let's see how to send USDT or any other crypto coin from Bybit to Mexc. Open your Mexc, click on wallet below your screen, click on deposit, click on deposit crypto, click on USDT, click on USDT, choose turn coin as network. We'll be using turn coin as network. Click on turn coin. Display address, then you copy the address. Use this copy icon to copy the address. Copy the address, then go paste it on Bybit. Let's open our Bybit. On Bybit, click on Asset. Click on Withdraw. Click on USDT. Impute the address you copy from Mexc. Then choose the network. You're using Ton. Then go copy the tag or memo from Mexc. Copy. Paste it there. Then you pick the amount you want to send. Then click on withdraw. This is the details. Click on confirm. So let me enter my phone password on my Google Authenticator. So once you enter your password on your Google Authenticator, you click on confirm. So withdrawal is submitted successfully. So let's wait. You want to see it. So you have left our funding wallet. Withdrawal is submitted successfully. So this is the withdrawal. They said it's in progress. So let's wait a little for it. So withdrawal will be completed. So let's go and check our Mexc wallet. And it landed safely on our Mexc wallet. This is it. So this is simply how to send USDT from Bybit to Mexc, or from Binance, or from any other exchanges to Mexc. It's same process. Once you know how to copy your wallet address, send your USDT, you are good to go. Thank you very much for engaging with our videos on this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button, hit the like button, so other people can get to view this video. Hit the notification button so you get notified whenever we create a video. Hit the share button to share with family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. That means welcome to this wonderful family. See you in our next video when we talk about how to withdraw from our core various accounts. Bye and God bless you.